In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Udemy in a quick and simple way. Whether you're buying your very first course or updating your payment details, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type Udemy into the search bar and hit enter. When the official Udemy website appears in the results, click on it to head straight to the home page. At the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Click on it and sign in using either your email and password or a single sign-on option like Google. Once you're logged in, look toward the top navigation bar where your account initials or profile icon appear. Click on it to open the menu, then choose the subscription option. This is where Udemy stores all your billing and payment information. Inside the subscription section, scroll until you see payment methods. Here you can add a new card or update your existing one. Select the update option beside your current payment method and enter the correct details. Make sure every number is accurate so there are no issues when Udemy processes your next purchase. After confirming the update, your new payment method becomes active immediately. You can now buy any Udemy course without interruption. And that's all it takes. In just a few minutes, your payment details are set and your learning journey can continue smoothly. If you ever run into trouble, Udemy's support page is always available to help. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next guide.